guys, this is your girl Yo, and I am back with an update on my contact review that I did a couple of videos back. The ones that I'm wearing now are the ash brown color. This is from the collection Lucid Dream, and the contacts come from colorcl.com. It's a Korean contact company. The contacts are $15 a piece, which is a great price point for contacts. I just wanted to come back and share what this color actually looked like on me. This isn't a very long video. I just wanted to share what they look like and encourage you that if you do have a desire to get contacts, to go to colorcl.com. I'll put the link down in the description box so that you guys can go check them out. They have a lot of different collections, a lot of different colors that you may be interested in. Thanks for watching. This has been a YoBe1 update on my Color CL contact review.